to watch Animal Planet. I'm trying to watch Animal Planet. But I won't watch it. I won't watch Animal Planet. I don't want to turn it off. I want to watch it. I won't watch Animal Planet. Why you don't like Animal Planet? Come on. I'm trying to watch Animal Planet. I can't hear it because of you. What you do there? What am I trying to watch Animal Planet for? I'm trying to watch it. I can't watch Animal Planet if you don't be quiet. So can I watch Animal Planet now? Without you fussing? You done? Okay, thank you so much. Now I can watch Animal Planet.